A summer storm is a weather event that occurs during the summer months and is characterized by heavy rainfall, thunder, lightning, and sometimes strong winds. These storms are typically associated with warm and humid conditions, which create the ideal environment for the development of convective activity in the atmosphere. Key features of a summer storm include: summer storms can bring intense downpours, leading to localized flooding and water accumulation on roads and low-lying areas. Thunderstorms are known for their thunder and lightning. Lightning is the result of electrical discharges within the storm clouds, while thunder is the sound produced by the rapid expansion of air due to the intense heat of the lightning. Some summer storms may produce strong, gusty winds that can cause damage to trees, power lines, and structures. In some cases, summer storms can produce hail, which are ice pellets that can vary in size and cause damage to crops and property. These storms often form due to the instability in the atmosphere caused by warm, moist air rising and interacting with cooler air masses. This instability leads to the development of towering cumulonimbus clouds, which are the hallmark of thunderstorms. Summer storms can develop relatively quickly, sometimes within a matter of hours, and can be localized, affecting only specific areas. It's important to stay informed about weather conditions during the summer months, as severe thunderstorms can pose safety hazards.
Round. Being flooded.
Catastrophic storm surge up and down the Florida coast, up to 7 feet.
The strong level demonstrates the importance of managing the current climate with care and resilience is the